So, hello viewers. In this part 6, we will see about the control structures of PLSQL. These control structures are just like the control structures in Java, C language, or any programming language you can take. So, I will write control structures. So, in this control structures, these are used to change the execution the execution order. That means it may be anything, but you can simply or you can write it like a sequential execution. It will change the sequential execution. That means it will change the total entire order. We have conditional control structures. So these are types of control structures. So I will write it. Types of control structures. We have conditional. In conditional we have if then we have if then else, and also we have if then else if. Like we have if then else if or if then else we can say as these are like ladders. We can write so many else if conditions by using this. If we have so many of it in this conditional control structure, then we have nested if. I will write in one line. Nested if is nothing but we will have if condition in another if condition, and we have case, simple case or search case. We have two types in Oracle, just like a switch statement in Java, and then we have looping control structures. Looping control structures is nothing but whatever we have seen in the Java C language. Like that we will have the looping structures. You can just guess it. We have while, we have for loop, we have simple for loop. We have simple loop. In this we will have a loop block name. Under that we can write our executable statements. We have while loop, we have for loop, we have simple loop. Then we have jumping control statements, jumping control structures. In this we have exit when. So it is exit when, just like return, or you can say an if condition in Java. Here exit means it will break, it will come outside. Exit when means it will terminate the program, and the execution comes outside of the program based on the condition. So it is about exit and exit when. So we will see one more topic, that is stored procedures. In this stored procedures is nothing but these are block of statements will be executed on calling. So block of statements gets executed on calling. We can say as procedures like this. It is the definition of procedure. So we can define procedure like this. And stored procedure is before stored procedures we have seen the definition of procedure to get an idea of it, but stored procedure is nothing but it is a procedure defined in schema. It is a procedure defined in schema. That means user in the particular user we will define the stored procedure. And we have, like the stored procedure, we have packaged procedure. Packaged procedure is nothing but procedure defined in package. It is a procedure defined in package. Then we can call the procedures. Then we can call the procedures from SQL prompt and from SQL program as well. And also we can call through programming languages. Through programming languages like Java, Python, and we have these three modes of calling procedures, but we will mainly use the SQL prompt, or in the Plsql program only we will mainly depend on it. Then we have parameter modes. Parameter modes is nothing but while defining the parameters in the procedures we will write the parameters, whether here in is nothing but it will take the output, that is the default parameter. That is the default parameter modes. In parameter modes then we have out, that means it will print this parameter will receive and print the output. Then we have in out, it is a mixture of in and out. It will take the input and it can also be used to print the output. We can take input and we can print the input. Then we have parameter mapping techniques. Parameter mapping techniques. Parameter mapping techniques is we have so many: positional mapping, we have named mapping, then we have mixed mapping. We will have formal parameters and actual parameters. Formal parameters will be defined in the will be defined in the procedure. We will give the actual parameters while executing the procedures. In that, positional mapping is nothing but if there are two parameters, we don't give them names, we will just give like add of 1, 2. It will take the, based on the position it will take it. When it comes to naming, we will write the names of it. In mixed mapping we will use both the positional and mixed these two techniques will be used in the mixed map. Positional and named techniques, positional mapping and named mapping will be both mixed in this mixed mapping. So there's a lot of mixeds. So this is the end of part 6. In this we have seen about control structures and storage procedures. We will see more in part 7. Thank you.